Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 391. Let's make note of the time. It is now 11:12 p.m. on August 19th, and Winnipeg would have ended at 11 p.m. also on August 19th. So we're about 12 minutes after the break has ended and we are ready to go. This is for one box of extended series. It happens to be box 11 of 12, all from the same case. Box 11 goes tonight. We're going to do it right now. And box 12 goes tomorrow night. So hope to see you guys then. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 listings on eBay. And we're going to show that before we open up the box so you know we are opening the box we said we would. If you can, please subscribe to YouTube 1313 Milan Soccer. You can get the breaks as soon as they're loaded. If you don't, it's okay. I always send a link via eBay mailing. All right, so there's a few new guys with me, so we're going to go over the rules really quickly. Let's pick on Chthonic. Actually, he's got too many. So let's pick on Fast Forward Fish because he's got only one, and he's a good guy. He's been with me for a while. He owns the Carolina Hurricanes. I'm going to open up this box, the 24 packs. One pack generally doesn't have a hit. The other 23 do. So there's going to be 23 hits set aside. If there are any Carolina Hurricane cards, I'm going to mail them to Fast Forward Fish the second, whatever his shipping eBay address is. So please make sure your shipping address is current and correct. In the unfortunate event that there are no Carolina Hurricane cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Fast Forward Fish because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents for the team, but that is a small collection for the amount of cards, packaging, loaders, and postage that need to go out with extended series. All right? And if you do have a package coming to you, please be patient, as COVID has slowed things down, but everybody always gets their cards, all right? Email me with any questions you have, and let's get to it. Acadian Grand owns the Leafs. Braha 483374 has the Flames, the Wings, the Panthers, the Predators, the Flyers, the Blues, and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Bruin 3541 has the Stars, the Penguins, the Sharks, and the Canucks. Chthonic 1409 has the Blackhawks, the Jackets, the Oilers, the Wild, the Islanders, the Vegas Golden Knights, the Washington Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. Fast Forward Fish has the Hurricanes. Kasnick has the Sabres and the Senators. Mazelma has the Rangers. Nux Oakman has the Kings. R. Boker has the Bruins and the Avalanche. Sergeant B has the Ducks, the Coyotes, the Canadiens, and the New Jersey Devils. All right, and if you're brand new, I would have sent you a welcome email just to make sure we're all on the same page. Please check your email if you haven't dealt with me before. Please reply, just letting me know that you understand how box breaks work. It's just a get to know each other kind of email. All right, the serial number ending in 658932 as we switch over to the webcam. And we're going to look at that right now. 658932. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. Just want to make sure all systems go. And we are good to go. All right. And tomorrow night is our last box of the second case. We're looking to pick up some retail, but until then, we have no breaks posted for a little bit while we restock and take a little bit of a break. All right, everybody, good luck. And we go right away. We start off with a 506 rookie. Not bad. Connor McMichael for your Washington Capitals. First pack. Usually we wait a little bit to get that card. So there's 4 of these 506 cards in the break. One of them is a young gun, and we've gotten it already. So congrats to Washington. Way to start us off. And it's been a fun product. There's always been a little bit of an Easter egg or a couple case hits in every box. And then we have John Tavares for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Also 506. We look for suit variants and French variants as well, so we just make sure we go through the whole pack. But generally, 1 hit per pack. This time it's Elias Peterson, or Pedersen. Ultimate Victory. for your Vancouver Canucks. And we have our first dead pack, or the dead pack. Yeah, no All-Stars in there. All right, dead pack. So we got that out of the way as well. Every other pack should have a hit now. And I'm always excited to see what the case hit will be. We have a Vitek Vanacek for your Washington Capitals. Holo FX. Make sure that we don't time out. Cal Foote for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Congratulations. Holo FX. Young gun incoming for your Montreal Canadiens. Hayden Verbeek. Congratulations to Montreal. Young gun incoming for your New York Rangers. Patrick Cordarnerko. Congratulations to the New York Rangers. Rookie class, Thomas Harley for your Dallas Stars. Nice little hit for Dallas. Rookie class, Arthur Kaliev for your LA Kings. Congrats, LA. Got a weird signature there, but nonetheless, congratulations, LA. Kirill Kaprizov, Ultimate Victory Rookie. Congratulations, Minnesota. Still haven't hit a kind of a box hit, case hit kind of card. We have Ovations, Alexei Hepiniemi. At least the cards are hitting on good players. Congratulations, Florida. All these little variations are landing on some big guys. Try the other way. We have a Zach Werenski for your Columbus Blue Jackets. 506 variation. Congratulations to Columbus. And our fourth 506 card is a Quinn Hughes for your Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations, Vancouver. Young gun incoming for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Alex Dorio. Victor Soderstrom, the gold variation. There we go. For your Arizona Coyotes. Congrats. That is the gold variation of the finite SPX Finite. As you can see, it is only at a 299. The other one's at a 3,000. Nice hit for Arizona. So there's one special card this box. We still have to get the other variation of it, but generally there's one of those per box. Young gun incoming for your New Jersey Devils, Mikhail Maltsev. Congratulations, New Jersey. Variant Francais, Dmitry Kulikov. It's hard to read with the lighting. It gives a glare on it. But your variant Francais, French variant, goes to the New Jersey Devils. There's one of those per box. It's nice when it lands on a young gun, but this time it landed on a base card. Even those all-star cards, when it lands on it, actually does a little bit. Blue Dazzler coming up for your New Jersey Devils, Ty Smith. Congratulations, New Jersey. This pack's open, so funny. You have to like shred them. Niels Höglander, rookie variation for your Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations to Vancouver. Try the other way. There we go. Reflections. Short print out of 300 for your LA Kings, Gabe Velarde. There's another special card. Like I said, there's been 2 or 3 Easter eggs in every box. And it's been a fun product to open. Young gun incoming for your not bad Florida Panthers, Alexei Hepiniemi. Congratulations, Florida. 2 packs to go. Again, I want to thank everybody. At the end of the break, we'll just sign off with the time. And that'll be it. Reflections for your Montreal Canadiens, Nick Suzuki. Nice hit for Montreal. And our final pack. We end with a young gun. Good to see. For your Boston Bruins, Callum Booth. Not bad. Pretty good box. Let's go back to the screen. And we will sign off the time. It is now 11:25 p.m. Again, thanks everybody. It was a pretty good box, and we will see you tomorrow night. Bye, guys.